Pickled cucumber, gherkin, pickle, whatever you call it, this crispy, spicy delicacy is winning the hearts of gourmets around the world. But behind the delicious jar lies a long and fascinating process. Let's follow how an ordinary cucumber turns into a favorite snack. Scientific studies confirm that cucumbers contain bioactive compounds with significant health benefits. Fresh cucumber benefits. 95% water, promotes hydration and reduces swelling. 15 kilocalories, 100 g, perfect for weight management. Vitamins K, C, potassium, magnesium boosts immunity, heart health, and skin quality. Antioxidants, protects cells from oxidative stress. Fiber plus water, improves digestion and gut motility. Detox effect, helps eliminate toxins. GI equals 15, safe for diabetics. Bonus perks, freshens breath and enhances skin glow. Pickled cucumber benefits. 1. Probiotics, supports gut microbiome and immunity, thanks to lactic acid fermentation. 2. Vitamins B, K, C, partially preserved during pickling. 3. Antioxidants, helps combat inflammation. 4. Digestive aid, stimulates gastric juice production. 5. Electrolytes, natrium, kalium, restores hydration balance. Important: while both fresh and pickled cucumbers are nutritious, moderation is key. Overconsumption of pickles may lead to excess sodium intake. It all starts with a tiny seed. Modern agricultural machines plant each seed at optimal depth for ideal growth. Farmers then nurture the crops with careful watering, fertilization, and pest control. Many farmers deliberately place beehives near their fields. Bees not only pollinate flowers, increasing crop yields, but also make cucumbers more even and tasty. By the way, China is the world leader in cucumber production. 77 million tons are grown here per year. At the peak of ripeness, cucumbers are harvested. Small farms often harvest by hand to protect the delicate gherkins, while large producers use automated conveyor belts, optical sorting systems, even robots to pick cucumbers. Why not full automation? Small, uneven gherkins are difficult for machines to pick. Premium varieties require human quality control. Cucumbers grown in the ground begin to ripen 40 to 50 days after sowing. Greenhouse cucumbers can ripen faster in 30 to 45 days. Harvesting frequency, every 2 to 3 days to prevent overripening. Signs of maturity in the length of the fruit should be: gherkins 5 to 8 centimeters, regular cucumbers 10 to 15 centimeters, salad varieties up to 20 to 25 centimeters. Color, uniform, dark green for most varieties. Skin, dense, without yellowing or roughness. The fascinating process of picking cucumbers. Your support in the form of likes and subscriptions inspires us to make new interesting videos. How do you like this harvest? Write in the comments. We will soon show how they are pickled. Don't miss it. After harvesting, cucumbers are sent to processing plants, where they undergo several important stages. The collected cucumbers are washed thoroughly, removing the slightest traces of dirt and pesticides. In some factories, they are even exposed to ultraviolet light for disinfection. Then comes manual sorting. Only smooth, strong cucumbers without damage will end up in the jar. The fermentation stage is where the flavor is created. While recipes vary, all brines contain purified water, natural salt, rock or sea salt, spices, dill, garlic, horseradish, oak or currant leaves for crunch. Secret ingredients: some brands add honey, apple cider vinegar or cherry leaves. Fermentation lasts from 1 week to 1 month, with longer soaking resulting in a richer flavor. After the salting and aging process is complete, the cucumbers are removed from the brine. They are sorted by size and quality. Deformed and damaged fruits are removed. If necessary, the cucumbers are washed with clean water or brine. They are packaged in various containers, glass jars, the most common option for retail. Cucumbers are placed manually or automatically. Spices are added: dill, garlic, pepper, etc., and filled with brine. They are sealed with metal lids on sealing machines. To increase the shelf life, some manufacturers pasteurize by heating the product to 80 to 90 degrees Celsius. Labels are applied to the jars indicating the name of the product, composition, expiration dates, storage conditions. Finished products are placed in boxes, crates, and then on pallets. The tightness of the packaging is also checked. The brine level is monitored. Visually inspected for defects. Depending on the scale of production, the process can be fully automated or partially manual. Modern lines allow for packaging up to several thousand cans per hour. A pickled cucumber is not just a snack, but the result of farmers' work, technology, and centuries-old traditions. Crunch to your health and share in the comments, what pickles do you like the most?